So students, our next topic is suspensions. The suspensions are the biphasic liquid dosage form of medicament in which finely divided solid particles are dispersed in a liquid or semi-solid vehicle. The solid particles act as dispersed phase, whereas liquid vehicle acts as the continuous phase. So this is the main difference between suspension and emulsion, that in emulsion there is always two liquids, that is one is oil and other is water, but in the suspension there is one solid and one liquid, and solid is always dispersed in the form of globules, fine globules, into the liquid. Suspensions are generally taken orally and also rarely by parenteral route. They are also used for external application. So suspensions can be given through or taken through all three routes: orally, parenterally, as well as externally. So these days many suspensions are supplied by dry powders, which are converted into suspensions by adding the specified amount of vehicle. This is done to ensure the stability of suspension. At the time of use, it is dissolved in a specified amount of vehicle. Examples are ampicillin for oral suspension, IP, barium sulfate for suspension, IP, and insulin zinc suspension. And fourth is insulin zinc suspension in crystalline form, and previous is in amorphous form. So an ideal suspension must possess the following properties. Number one, it should be settle slowly and should be readily redispersed upon gentle shaking of the container. Number two, the particle size of the suspension remains fairly constant throughout its long period of storage. Number three, the suspension should be readily and evenly pour from its containers. Number four, it should be free from large particles which spoils its appearance and may cause also irritation to the sensitive tissues when rubbed externally, of course. सो एक्सटर्नली रब करने के टाइम पर जो सस्पेंशन है, अगर उनमें ग्रिटी पार्टिकल्स होंगे तो वो सेंसिटिव टिश्यूज़ को पेन करेंगी. तो हमने बता दिया कि आइडियल सस्पेंशन कैसी होनी चाहिए. रेडीली रीडिस्पर्स हो, जब हम उसके कंटेनर को हिलाएं तो थ्रू आउट पीरियड एक जैसे उसके पार्टिकल रहें जब वो स्टोर की जा रही है, और सस्पेंशन जो है वो रेडीली पोर हो इसके कंटेनर से जब हम उसको बाहर निकालें यूज़ करने के लिए, और उसके लार्ज पार्टिकल्स नहीं बनने चाहिए जुड़ के, जिससे कि उसका अपीयरेंस ख़राब हो जाता है और वो पार्टिकल्स ग्रिटी हो जाते हैं, बड़े हो जाते हैं, जो लगाने के वक्त चुभते हैं. सो सेंसिटिव टिश्यूज़ को इरिटेशन करते हैं, इंग्लिश में हम कहें तो. बाकी है कि ऑल सस्पेंशंस जो हैं वो शुड बी पैक्ड इन ए कंटेनर. सभी सस्पेंशंस कंटेनर में पैक करनी चाहिए जिसमें एडिक्वेट एयर स्पेस हो अबव द लिक्विड, यानी कि लिक्विड के ऊपर हमें स्पेस छोड़ना है शेक करने के लिए, एडिक्वेट, टू परमिट एडिक्वेट शेकिंग. द ओरल सस्पेंशन शुड बी पैक्ड इन वाइड माउथ बॉटल्स. जो हमने ऑयल लेनी है उनको वाइड माउथ बॉटल्स में, टू परमिट प्रॉपर रिमूवल ऑफ द सस्पेंशन, ताकि हम उसमें स्पून डाल के टी स्पून फुल उसमें या टेबल स्पून फुल निकाल सकें. The suspension should be stored in tightly closed containers, and it should not freeze, and not excessive heat and light. So excessive of everything is bad during storage. The suspension should be shaken before its use to ensure a uniform distribution of solids in the vehicle, thereby giving a uniform and proper dosage. So it was all about today for the suspensions, very small time taken. Thank you.